Welcome back, back again. Friday, yes. Tell your friends. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hello, happy Friday, y'all. Making Monday, making money Friday, y'all. How you doing? I know it is snowing everywhere. I hope you are safe. I hope you are bundled up, and I hope that you are warm, baby. Let's get into this video. I am going to show you because I forgot to record. So I had a 10:30 a.m. lash appointment at Fascinating Studios. I don't know if you could tell, but they are blue. The pictures is up, and I have top and bottom lashes, and there's a sleigh, baby. If you in the New York City area, hit my girl up. She has a sale going on, and my lashes is the bomb. Eyebrows is still on fleek. Yes, they is. But I had to stop at Shoppers World and pick up some cleaning supplies. I deep clean and transform my bathroom when I got back. But I'm still gonna show y'all what I bought. So I purchased this little wristlet wallet. It was $3. I know it says $6.99, but it was $3. $3. Dishwashing liquid. If you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. Okay? Have your little self. If you know, you know. If not, you slow. Yeah, they got a antibacterial fabuloso and it's yellow. I use it to wash my clothes. When I tell y'all it works, baby, it works. Okay? With Corona going on, invest invest in something smell good, honey. Always need an air freshener in the house. Even with a candle, you need an air freshener in the house. Tell me that you know what it is. Tell me in the comments below. This is some pine and water because I used them Miss Myers and it was good. I'm not gonna lie, she get the job done. But if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. I also brought this. And then I brought these. I put two because they cheap. I'm looking for the 2000 flushes. But until then, I will use these. If you know, you know. If you don't, you slow. Okay. And then I bought this. And it smells good. So don't think it don't. It smells good. I recommend it. And then the other items I picked up, which was so now I can give you better quality videos, phone, iPad, whatever. I got that. And I picked up for my little darlings, the babies. So if you know, you know. If you're not too slow, I will be posting a picture of my bathroom transformation on Snapchat and IG. Might even post it on TikTok. But until then, stay blessed, not stressed, stay warm and safe. Later, dolls and gents.